Hello everybody! Welcome to December 20th in BC, Canada. Yes, this is almost Christmas. And it is beautifully sunny out. The sun is out. It is warm. I could be out in here in a t-shirt right now. Anyhow, the year is almost done, and I am doing the Best of 2018 series here. And 2018 was a fantastic year. We had some of the best finds, some of the best cleanouts, some of the best claims around this year. And as the year comes to an end, I want to show you some of the best videos we've done. So today's video is going to be the best cleanup of 2018, and boy was it a doozy. Enjoy. So you may have seen last week I did the best nugget of the year. If you didn't see that video, I'll leave a link right here, and you can click on that link and it'll take you off to the best nugget of 2018, which itself was a really good cleanup in one nugget. But this cleanup we did here, we had a lot of really good cleanups. Amazing at the Pickerton claim. Some of the big pickers and nuggets we got there were just amazing, but nothing compares to this one day. Well, it was actually 3 days using the high banker at the Fraser, Pete, Mike, and I, and we killed it. It was amazing. We got well over an ounce in those 3 days. I can't remember exactly how much. You might have to watch the video to find out. But it was well over an ounce, and it was just some of the most amazing gold. But before I take you off and show you all that amazing Fraser River gold that we got, let me show you some pictures of some of the other cleanups we did this year. We had a lot of them. Everything from the finest gold on the Similkameen River up to the big chunky stuff up at Trout Creek. Those pickers and nuggets from Pickerton Claim. We had a lot of really good cleanups this year. So these pictures here just show you just a few of those cleanups. And yeah, some of them don't add up to much in weight, but hey, it all adds up in the end. And some of this gold is just the most beautiful gold around. We even had a little bit of hard rock gold in there from the Blue Chip mine, so some of the cleanups there. None of the cleanups are very big from the Blue Chip, but having some of that crystal gold from the Blue Chip is great to see. However, nothing compares to that one cleanup from the Fraser River. So you'll have to watch that video. There will be links to that video at the end of this. Oh, probably right here. I'll leave a link right here, as well as a link at the end of this video to watch that whole cleanup. I'm not going to explain it. I'm not going to really even say much about it. I'm not even going to show you too many pictures of it. Instead, I'm just going to leave a link here to the video of that cleanup and let you guys go and watch it for yourself. If you saw it once, back when it happened, go watch it again. It's worth it. I will be doing a whole bunch more Best of 2018 videos. The best adventure, the best finds, the best claims, the best everything videos here. So make sure you check back frequently and see what the best of the year had to offer. Before I go away, thank you very much to my patrons out there for supporting me in my endeavors. If you'd like to help me in making these videos or just want to learn more about Patreon, visit me at patreon.com/Dan Hurd. I wish you all a very Merry Christmas and the best of the New Year's.